What's going on, everybody? It's your man David down at Crosstown Chrysler in Edmonton, Alberta. And from the used car superstore is this 2017 Ram 1500 Express in bright white that has four-wheel drive. It is a crew cab with the 5-foot box. It has power windows, power locks, and power mirrors. And not to worry, there are reading lamps inside of it too. Giving power to this Ram is a legendary and powerful Hemi 5.7 liter V8 engine, putting out 395 horsepower and 410 foot-pounds of torque. It runs smoothly and sounds really great. Checking out the back seat area here, the back seat door panels do have storage areas on them. There is plenty of footroom for passengers, along with plenty of headroom, so tall people will like that a lot. Hooks up above so you can hang up nice clothing so those don't get wrinkled. Adjustable headrests in the back seats too. Back seats do have the bench seat. Flip it up and you'll find the jack, and there's lots of storage space underneath the bench seat. There's two big cup holders down below in the middle, and there's directional air vents that passengers can adjust for the best airflow for comfort. And underneath the mats there are insulated and removable in-floor storage areas. You put ice in here and keep cans of Coke bottles while cold, and if it gets dirty you can remove it and clean it. I like how they stay nice and hidden underneath the mats. Dual exhaust tips out the back with chrome around them. Spot for a trailer hitch down below there with connections so you can power up a trailer or any aftermarket devices. Nice badging on the tailgate. Open up the tailgate here. You'll see that there's hooks in all four corners so you tighten your load so you don't lose it when you're driving down the highway. The box lights are just up top there. Feel free to turn those on whenever you want so you can see what you're doing at nighttime. And this is a locking tailgate. Press the lock button on the key fob. All the doors will lock, including the tailgate. The front door panels have storage areas on them as well, and of course power locks and window switches. Storage area up top here for anything you want. Lower glove box area, and there is a manual in here. Feel free to read it whenever you want. Spot for some pens or packs of gum. All the air vents are very easy to adjust inside this Ram. Front passenger seat is manual adjustment, and there's three big cup holders in the middle with bubbles inside them to hold your cups into place. Open this up, there's a large storage area right here. There's a change holder, and there's a USB port and an auxiliary port connected to your media, and a 12-volt DC power outlet. Nice padding on the top here for arms to rest on. Feels great. This flips up into a middle seat for that unexpected passenger, allowing for 6 people to be comfortably seated inside this Ram truck. And this easily folds back down like that. This does have keyless entry. There's an unlock button, a lock button, and a panic button on it, and a nice Ram badge. And the gauges look very good. The tachometer, the speedometer, like them a lot. 35,901 kilometers on this truck. Soft touch steering wheel, feels great in the hands. Cruise control on the right. There's a voice recognition and a Bluetooth button on the left side of the steering wheel. This truck has automatic headlamps, so you can set it and forget it. Press this button there, that'll turn on the fog lights, and there's a dimmer knob there too. Here's the 4-wheel drive switch. Very easy to engage the 4-wheel drive if you want to go off-road, or if you're driving in the wintertime. Easy to adjust the climate control. You got your fan speed, temperature, and where you want the air to go. This does have air conditioning and of course heated mirrors. Tow/haul mode, and you can turn off the traction control. Touchscreen Uconnect system with AM, FM, and Sirius XM. Bluetooth area is right here, and you can pair multiple devices and play music off Bluetooth devices. It's the 2017 Ram 1500 Express in bright white, powered by the Hemi 5.7 liter V8 engine. Come to Crosstown and book a test drive soon.